NEET PG Medical 2025 counseling process will start very soon. Few of the states, they had already started the registration process. We are waiting for registration process, All India Counseling, State Counseling, West Bengal, UP, Maharashtra, many states. In today's video, I am giving you the information regarding the West Bengal State PG medical admission details. First, I'll tell you which segment of students should participate in West Bengal State Counseling. Number one category student who has done MBBS from West Bengal, they should participate in West Bengal State Counseling for state quota seat as well as the management quota seat. State quota seat means the college where government quota seat is there in the private college where the fees are low, and definitely the government colleges are also there. So government college government quota seat, and also private college government quota, or technically in West Bengal they tell state quota. So this is the two types of seat which will be coming for the students of student who has done MBBS from West Bengal, and definitely they will be eligible for the management quota seat. Now here I will tell you, in West Bengal around 6 colleges are there where clinical branches are there. Which all those colleges? One is KPC Medical College, which is very renowned private medical college in West Bengal. Apart from KPC, Jagannath Gupta is also there, which is in nearby Kolkata. Apart from there, in Durgapur, 3 private colleges are there. Best college in Durgapur is IQ City College. Apart from IQ City College, Ramkrishna Shanaka is there, and also Gauri Devi is there. So in Durgapur, 3 colleges are there. Kolkata and nearby 2 colleges are there, and another college is there in Haldia. It is iCare Medical College. So total 6 colleges are there, private colleges. Apart from there, government colleges are there, PGIMR, Kolkata Medical College, National Medical, RGCAR, many colleges are there in West Bengal. So in all private colleges, government quota or state quota seats are there where fees are comparatively lower than the management quota seat. And in management quota seat, in private college, apart from KPC, all colleges are 40 lakhs, approximately 40 lakhs per annum. In KPC Medical College, it is 27 lakhs per annum. So students who has done MBBS, they are eligible for both state quota seat and as well as the management quota seat in West Bengal. Second category, the student who has not done MBBS from West Bengal. Now, if you have not done MBBS from West Bengal, then you still can take admission in state quota provided your parents started and stayed in West Bengal for more than 10 years, permanently stayed in West Bengal for more than 10 years, and they have the proper document of that, and based on that you will have to get the domicile certificate based on the pro forma of West Bengal Counseling Authority. Now here the student, one thing I want to clarify, suppose if a student has done MBBS from other state, not from West Bengal, then based on their 10-year studies, they will not get the certificate. Why? Because since they have done MBBS from outside West Bengal, so that is the reason it will not be considered. They have stayed last 10 years in West Bengal because they did MBBS from other state. Rather, in that case, you have to get the state quota certificate, domicile certificate of that based on your parents' domicility. If your parents has stayed in West Bengal, then you can do. So this is the second category candidate. Third category, neither the student who has done MBBS from West Bengal or whose parents has not stayed in West Bengal. So they will be eligible for participating in private management quota in West Bengal Private College. As I told you, KPC Private College, 27 lakhs per annum is the fees, and other private college, it is around 42 lakhs per annum, the fees. Now, in West Bengal private colleges, some of the colleges, they ask for bank guarantee. For that, you have to take the proper information before taking the admissions. Now, rank wise, which students should participate in West Bengal? See, KPC is a good medical college. If you get admission in KPC, then you can take the admission in KPC. Now, apart from KPC, which all other private colleges are there? In those colleges, generally cutoff goes low. For that, the student whose rank is not within the range, maybe the student whose rank is above 60 lakhs, above 60,000, 70,000, they should participate in West Bengal State Counseling, provided they are looking for a good specialization. And if student's rank is above 1 lakh, or if a student has category qualified, in that case also students should participate in West Bengal. So they will be having a chance to get the seat in lower clinical branch. In today's video, I'll show you the cutoff rank of different colleges in different branches in 2024. So you will get an idea on that. So the student who are not having the very good rank, they can participate in West Bengal for targeting the private college, provided they have a budget of around 1.2 CR in that range. Let's go to the cutoff of last year. If I go, coming to anesthesia first. Now, Gauri Devi Medical College had a fees almost 40 lakhs per annum. Their cutoff goes 1,12,000. See, I have taken the lowest cutoff. I mean, where maximum cutoff till round 3, round 4 in last year. Gauri Devi 1,12,502. iCare Medical College anesthesia 1,28,859. IQ City anesthesia 1,15,958. Jagannath Gupta 1,20,830. And KPC Medical College anesthesia 86,362. That is the cutoff of different colleges in anesthesia. So you can see, is the student whose rank is above 1 lakh, even 1,10,000, they got the anesthesia in different branches. Coming to ENT, even ENT also you can see, Gauri Devi cutoff goes 1,27,000, iCare 1,25,000, IQ City 1,30,000, Jagannath Gupta 1,14,000, and KPC 95,232. Again, I am mentioning this is not the cutoff of first round or second round. Most of the cases, the cutoff are third round or fourth round in this case. Now, why I'll tell you in this video, why I have taken the third round or fourth round cutoff. Next is general medicine. You can see general medicine cutoff, IQ City 62,000, approximately Jagannath Gupta 59,900, KPC Medical College 34,681, Ramkrishna. General medicine 1,03,993 is the general medicine cutoff of Ramkrishna. Next is general surgery. Gauri Devi Institute of Medical Science, Durgapur 1,01,372 is the cutoff. IQ City General Surgery 1,09,000, Jagannath Gupta General Surgery 1,16,000, KPC General Surgery 87,000, Ramkrishna General Surgery 1,13,000. Okay, all are there. Next is Ramkrishna OBG 84,000. Approximately. Gauri Devi Ophthalmology 93,000, IQ City 1,13,000 is the IQ City. Gauri Devi Orthopedics 1,14,000, Jagannath Gupta Orthopedics 78,000, KPC Orthopedics 44,900, and next is Ramkrishna Durgapur Orthopedics 1,07,000. Gauri Devi Pediatrics 97,500, IQ City Pediatrics 1,04,000. Jagannath Gupta Pediatrics 1,14,000, Ramkrishna Pediatrics 667,000, approximately. iCare Psychiatry 1,05,000, IQ City Psychiatry 1,04,000, KPC Psychiatry 1,24,000, Ramkrishna Psychiatry 1,33,000, Gauri Devi TB Chest 86,000, IQ City TB Chest 99,000, and Jagannath Gupta TB Chest 81,000. Student, this is the cutoff of last year. Every year the cutoff trend gets changed. If the fees are increased, then it will change. If the number of seats are increased, then also it will change. I gave you an apparent idea. So the student whose rank is above 60, 70,000, you can try once in West Bengal private colleges where the fees are around 40, 42 lakhs per annum. Definitely, I told you that in West Bengal, they sometimes ask for bank guarantee also, so that you also have to keep in your notice. Now, why I took round 3 and round 4 cutoff in West Bengal. See, you might be knowing that each and every state is having different kind of process of counseling and rules and regulations, like All India Counseling, MCC, Uttar Pradesh State Counseling. Like in All India, if you are allotted a seat in round 2, if you don't take, so the security amount will be forfeited, 2 lakh security. The same applicable for UP also. In Karnataka, they ask for your original document, but in West Bengal, till round 2, if you are allotted a seat till round 2, okay, there is no penalty at all. Okay, suppose if you are allotted a seat in round 1, okay, if you don't join, you will be participate in round 2. If you are allotted a seat in round 2, and if you don't take admission, you will be eligible for round 3, no problem. But in round 3, if you are allotted, after that, you in West Bengal, you will not be eligible for the stay round. So in West Bengal, first 2 rounds, actually it is a free exit round. Since it is a free exit round, so many students, they just participate for taking a chance. They may not take admission. So actual allotment in West Bengal happened from the round 3 only in some of the branches. Definitely, the college where the fees are low, like KPC Medical College, there in from round 1 only the student will be having demand. If the branch is very demanding, like radiology, like dermatology, like general medicine, there from the beginning only demand will be there. But if you think about the lower clinical branches, even surgery also, orthopedics also, there the cutoff may go down after round 2 counseling in West Bengal. So if you are participating in West Bengal, you should be having a strategy to take your counseling after round 2, maybe round 3, round 4, in that range. So this will be the strategy for West Bengal counseling. For the state quota seat, it definitely you will not get good options after round 2, because in that is a demanding sector. The fees are low, government college, so the student will take in the beginning only. But where the fees are high, like 40 lakh, 42 lakhs, then definitely the student will get better opportunity in the same fees in other state or in deemed university. Definitely they will take it as a priority. Student, if you have any query on West Bengal State Counseling, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are looking for complete counseling services, we have a paid counseling services for guiding step by step till admission process gets over for the PG admissions. I have a dedicated video for the paid counseling services. You can go through that video. You will get complete information regarding the counseling services. If you are looking for counseling services, you can contact me in the number which is given. If you are having any query, you can also send in the WhatsApp regarding your query. We'll try to give you the answer which best possible from us. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all the relevant information. We have already published different states counseling process, including Karnataka, including Uttar Pradesh, including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry, different states. Okay, Maharashtra also. We'll be keep giving you information even in other states also. We'll keep giving you updates, fees, details, all informations in our video. So keep taking all the information from our YouTube video. Thank you so much, students.